Okay, let's go back to Europe. Hopefully Europe works this time. What are my favorites and least favorites? I like the one where you get an extra minion. I like the one where you start at 10 gold. I like the tier 7 one. I don't like the one with the tickets. The one with the tickets is like the most annoying one. The one with the tickets is like the worst one. And I also don't like the one where you give health and attack to minions on left and right. It's boring. I'll reset my session recap because it shows the wrong rank. So it didn't count that game, interestingly enough. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get now. I'm excited. What about the oops all? Didn't get to play it yet. Here we go again. Why is the queue not working? I need to play a little bit faster in some situations, guys. I need to play a little bit faster. I feel like some lobbies are super APM intensive, and I'm not sure if Pirates or Elementals are the best way to go about it. Elementals got a little bit worse because there's no more Mark Malok. So now you have to go like straight up Trumpeteer plus Nomi or Trumpeteer plus Rock to gain those like juicy stats. But then you have Carbonic Copy, which is like super busted, if you can put the size on it. Yes! Phone! Thank you for the 14 months. Much appreciated. What's my rating right now? 2.4k. I had to waste my time playing one game on NA because I got the disconnect bug on Europe. But it's good warm-up. Now I'm warmed up and ready to go. Oh! We're getting a game, I need another coffee. Tier 7 exists. This is like the most likely one, the one that I had like most of the day. I'm okay with it, it's fun. Tier 7 exists. Nosdormu or Onyxia? I kind of like Onyxia with some of the 7s. Nosdormu is also not terrible. I feel like Nosdormu is better because Onyxia wants to play Undead. And I have it in my mind that Undead is like really good, but Undead is kind of like mid. So maybe Nosdormu is like a better gameplay experience. Mukla? I don't know if I like Mukla. Why do you like Mukla, chat? SBR is decent. Okay, I need the coffee. Be right back.
Your strategy has already determined the outcome. Now we observe. Though I will not reveal to you the outcome of these battles, I am am certain that you will find them exhilarating. This shop, like the universe, is an ever-expanding idea.
I really like the duelist because I'm gonna get 1 health per turn just because I'm Nosdormu.
Mortals are curiously obsessed with competitions, but it seems you are skilled at this one. Though I will not reveal to you the outcome of these battles, I am certain that you will find them exhilarating.
I know what Twishat is gonna want me to do.
I'll do what I can.
Yeah, scout and go for a 7-drop. This way at least we know that we're gonna get a 7 without going out of our way for it. And then duelist is super powerful. Not sure if I want Eternal Knight. Probably not. I mean, Knight is okay, but I don't think it's worth a freeze.
Are you ready for the chill?
Trying to take 30 damage by being weaker than most of the lobby. I'm already used to that. Can we have predictions? Mods are already doing predictions right now.
That loss
Ooh, second duelist. Is it ever Woozling for +2/+2? Hmm.
flawed, but so full of potential.
Oh! This is too greedy. I don't know what to do.
Commencing battle sequence.
I kind of like the Flourishing Frostling more than the Scout.
Happy Feast Day! I'll do what I can.
Next time I go to free. We don't need to rush taverns because again we're gonna get 7-drop from the Scout. I'm trying to think, should I do my rolls on 2 or on 3? Probably do them on 3. If it is for me to triple the Scout, I'll triple it anyway. Yeah, it's a very interesting spot.